Here's another look at that bird eating. I was flying my drone to take some video of it, but I wasn't sure if the camera focused on it because I had my camera set for down. So I'm using this camera to see if I can get the bird videotaped. Right now you're hearing sounds because there's construction next to me, and this is my school over there, and that's where some students stay, and this is the tree line, and back to the bird. I try to zoom in, but I don't think my camera goes far enough, but hopefully you can see a bird up just moving about, eating something it caught. Well, I'm gonna try to see if I can use the rest of the sunlight to fly my drone. I hope you enjoyed this video, whatever you can make of it.